Generally, when you're in Boxcutter, you can just draw a shape, and you could press 1 for X mirror, 2 for Y mirror, 3 for Z mirror. However, you can also use the MiniHelper to add a mirror modifier to your mesh. As we see, it used the same settings that were specified when I used the hotkeys. But even more importantly, you can go in and flip axes on the fly if needed, or choose which ones you need to bisect. Sometimes you need to bisect in order to make your cut work. We've now exposed all these settings to users on the fly, so in a way, I consider it a pretty big expansion on the way that mirror is handled inside of Boxcutter. In fact, just being able to go in and choose the axis on the fly and toggle them off and on is just something that is just a sight to behold, because previously telling people to have to press 1, 2, and 3 felt like a little bit of a pro move. So I'm happy to see that it's been simplified and consolidated into one easy to deal with slider. In the event that you're not able to press D to bring up your helper, press tab, of course, to pause. But now we have all the mirror options just consolidated in one easy to use slider, and you can just remove it at your own whim inside the box helper.